Hello everyone, welcome to Official Help Desk. In this video, we'll learn how to send audio message on Android. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. First, open the messaging app or chat where you want to send the audio message. Now once the chat box opens up, tap and hold the microphone icon that appears next to the text input field. A recording screen will appear. Keep holding the button to begin recording your message, and release the button when you're done recording. If you want to cancel the recording, slide your finger off the button before releasing it. Now you can preview the recording by tapping the play button. If you're happy with the recording, tap the send button to send the audio message, and you're done. Well, these steps may vary slightly depending on the messaging app you're using. In some apps, it may need to tap the microphone icon once to begin recording and then tap it again to stop recording and send the message. Additionally, some apps may have a separate button for recording audio messages. But well, that's it. So this was the tutorial on how to send audio message on Android. We hope you find this video helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to us for more helpful tutorials.